This is gonna blow your mind. Dreaming of turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and swaying palm trees, but worried about breaking the bank? Fret no more. We're uncovering the top 10 budget-friendly island getaways. Explore islands with affordability and unforgettable experiences. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, we'll reveal hidden gems. Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's dive into paradise. Experience the rich cultures and vibrant traditions of these islands. Our first stop is Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory bursting with vibrant culture, history, and natural beauty. Start in Old San Juan, where cobblestone streets and colonial architecture transport you back in time. Explore forts like Castillo, San Felipe del Morro for stunning views. Visit El Yunque National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. Try fondas for affordable, traditional Puerto Rican dishes. Puerto Rico's charm lies in its people, culture, and natural beauty. Next, we're off to the Dominican Republic, a Caribbean paradise renowned for its stunning beaches and incredible value. Punta Cana is a dream destination for beach lovers, but beyond the resorts, you'll find authentic experiences. Explore Santo Domingo, the oldest European city in the Americas, and soak up the history and culture. Head to the lush Samana Peninsula for breathtaking waterfalls, whale watching, or secluded beaches. Indulge in La Bandera, the national dish, or try pescado con coco, fresh fish cooked in coconut milk. Stay in Casas Particulares for a personal touch and affordable prices. Embrace the eerie vibes of Jamaica, an island pulsing with reggae rhythms and stunning natural beauty. Negril offers a laid-back atmosphere, stunning sunsets, and a vibrant nightlife scene. For adventure, climb Dunn's River Falls or explore the Blue Mountains. Immerse yourself in Jamaican culture at local markets and try jerk chicken or pork. Save on accommodations by staying in guest houses or small hotels away from tourist areas. Use colorful route taxis for affordable and authentic transportation. Prepare to be dazzled by the Bahamas, an archipelago of over 700 islands with crystal clear waters and pristine beaches. Nassau offers a taste of Bahamian culture with its colorful buildings and lively markets. For a secluded escape, hop on a ferry to the Exumas for secluded beaches and world-class snorkeling. Indulge in fresh seafood like conch salad and grilled lobster. Stay in guest houses, apartments, or smaller hotels. And use local ferries and buses for transportation. The Bahamas is a paradise waiting to be explored on a budget. Escape to Aruba, known as One Happy Island, with year-round sunshine and pristine beaches. Palm Beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Explore the rugged North Coast with the California Lighthouse and Natural Bridge. Aruba's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors. Try Keshiena or Sopi di Pompoen. Stay in apartments, studios, or smaller hotels and use the island's affordable public transportation. Aruba offers a taste of paradise without breaking the bank. Cozumel, Mexico, is a world-renowned destination for scuba diving and snorkeling. Beyond its stunning coral reefs, Cozumel offers rich Mayan history and delicious cuisine. Explore Mayan ruins like San Gervasio or visit Chenkanab National Park. Cozumel town blends Mexican and Caribbean culture with colorful buildings and lively plazas. Stay in smaller hotels guest houses, or apartments, and use local buses or colectivos for transportation. Cozumel is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Embark on an unforgettable journey to Belize, a small nation with big adventures. Explore ancient Mayan ruins, lush rainforests, and the world's second largest barrier reef. Head to Cape Calker for a laid-back island experience with snorkeling and diving. Belizean cuisine is a fusion of Mayan, African, and Caribbean flavors. Try rice and beans or hudud. Stay in hostels, guest houses, or budget-friendly hotels and use local buses or water taxis. Belize offers an adventure you won't soon forget. Step into a world of vibrant colors and Dutch Caribbean charm in Curaçao. Explore Willemstad with its pastel-colored buildings and historic bridges. Relax on the beaches of West Punt or visit the Hado Caves. Curaçaoan cuisine blends Dutch Caribbean and South American influences. Try bitterballen or stoba. Stay in apartments, guest houses, or smaller hotels and use local buses for transportation. Curaçao is a Caribbean gem waiting to be explored. Prepare to be captivated by the dramatic beauty of St. Lucia. Hike to the top of Gros Piton or Petit Piton for breathtaking views. Relax on Reduit Beach or visit the Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens. St. Lucian cuisine is a fusion of African, French, and Caribbean traditions. Try green, fig, and salt fish or callaloo soup. Stay in guest houses, apartments, or smaller hotels and use local buses or minivans. St. Lucia is a true Caribbean paradise. Our final island adventure takes us to Barbados, known for its beautiful beaches and rich history. Relax on Crane Beach, explore Harrison's Cave, or visit the historic Garrison Savannah. Visit the Mount Gay Rum Distillery or the Barbados Museum and Historical Society. Barbadian cuisine blends African, Caribbean, and British influences. Try cuckoo and flying fish or pepper pot. Stay in guest houses, apartments, or smaller hotels and use local buses or ZR vans. Barbados is a fantastic choice for an unforgettable island getaway. So, there you have it, our top budget-friendly islands for American travelers. From Puerto Rico's vibrant culture to the Bahamas' stunning beaches and Belize's adventurous spirit, there's an island paradise waiting to be discovered without breaking the bank. Remember, traveling on a budget is about being resourceful and embracing local experiences. Prioritize what matters most to you. Don't let budget constraints hold you back from exploring the world. Subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Share your budget-friendly island adventures in the comments. Until next time, happy travels.